Say you get an inheritance. So the question is, what do you do?
Welcome to Barry's Bites. Please join our host, attorney and financial advisor Chris Barry.
My first question would be, again, looking at time horizons, when do we think we would use this money? So if it's money we think we might need over the next year, I consider that like now bucket money. So that should be safe liquid. That should be in cash, maybe a high yield savings account. Like right now, we have a high yield savings account that offers 4%. You can move money in, you can move money out. So short term, like within a year, I would say like a high yield savings account. If it's kind of soon bucket money we might need over the next, say, 1 to 10 years, somewhere in there, then yeah, that's where we can look at things like multi-year guaranteed annuities that can guarantee a certain rate of return over a period of time. Like a 3-year multi-year guaranteed annuity might be offering a guaranteed rate of 5%, which you're not getting rich off this, but especially if you think the feds are going to cut the rate, which a lot of people think they will, then maybe that makes sense. So it's principal protected. You're getting that guaranteed 5% rate of return, or maybe if it's longer, 6%. The downside of that is if you use the money before that, or if you try to take it out, you might pay a fee. So as long as you're comfortable with giving up that liquidity short term, that may make sense. And then if you look at this as money we're not using over, say, the next 10 years, later bucket money, then I might put that into the market. Just because if you zoom out, you look historically, like the market's going to get a better rate of return over time. Short term, we're going to have ups and downs, especially right now. But longer term, we're going to get a better rate of return. I almost always look at like time horizons. Like how quickly do we think we're going to need to use this money, or do we want to use that money? And then that'll give us the answer. If it's within a year, let's keep it safe liquid, maybe a high yield savings account at 4%. If it's something that's going to be a longer time horizon, maybe we look at like a multi-year guaranteed annuity. It's giving you a fixed rate of return for a period of time, or maybe some conservative investments. And then if it's more longer term, say over 10 years, then I would say put the money in the market, just kind of generally speaking. And it could be some combination of that. It could be, hey, you know what, maybe we want half that. We want to use that within the next couple of years. That goes into a multi-year guaranteed annuity. Maybe the rest of it goes into the market.